Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yapper versus listener edits. First, grasp the fundamental dynamic between a talkative person and an attentive one. You'll need to identify clear audio and visual signals for each role, which is crucial for effective storytelling. Then, carefully plan your video's narrative, deciding who plays which part to create a compelling and humorous interaction. This foundational step sets the stage for your entire project. Next, let's dive into audio. Isolate and boost the Yapper's vocal track, making their voice prominent and clear. For the listener, subtly reduce their audio by about 3 to 5 decibels, ensuring they remain present but not overpowering. Always apply noise reduction to both tracks to eliminate background distractions, resulting in crystal clear dialogue. This careful balance creates an engaging auditory experience for your audience. Now, let's focus on the visuals and pacing. For the Yapper, use quick cuts, perhaps every 1 to 3 seconds, to emphasize their rapid speech and energetic delivery. In contrast, employ longer, more stable shots for the listener, allowing their reactions to unfold naturally over 5 to 7 seconds. Ensure your visual transitions perfectly align with key dialogue moments, enhancing the comedic timing and overall flow of your edit. Finally, let's add some polish and finalize your creation. Incorporate subtle sound effects, like a quick ding or a bawing, to highlight specific reactions or punchlines. Consider adding text overlays or emojis to further enhance comedic timing and visual interest. When you're satisfied, export your final video in a high-definition format, such as 1080 pixels, ensuring the best quality for your viewers to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.